Do you love watching Disney Plus, but you hate being apart from your loved ones? It's tough when you can't share the fun, right? Well, you don't have to feel left out anymore. With SharePlay, you can enjoy your favorite Disney Plus shows and movies with others, no matter where they are. So here are 5 easy steps to start using SharePlay on Disney Plus. Number 1, make sure that you and your friend have an iPhone, an iPad, or a Mac. This is the first step to SharePlay. Number 2, open the Disney Plus app and start playing the movie or the show that you want to watch. Number 3, tap the Share button, then select FaceTime to call your friend or family member. Number 4, once they answer, tap SharePlay and then they can see your screen. Number 5, enjoy your movie or show together, chatting and laughing along the way. So it's really 4 steps if you don't feel like laughing. Now you can share the magic of Disney Plus with anybody, anywhere. So what are you waiting for? Try SharePlay today, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun tips. Thanks for being here. Love you. Ciao.